In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an index.html file on your PC. To make an index.html file, first click on right click and then go to new. Click on text document. Now type index.html. So we have created a file index.html, but it's currently doc format. So let's make it HTML format. To make it HTML format, first go to Windows. Click on settings, go to system, now go to developer mode, click on file explorer, show file extension, just click on enable. Now you will see the file extension is enabled. Now rename it. And then click on enter. Click on yes, and there you go. So we have successfully created index.html file. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.